Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Mi11X device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare these both phones. Let's see which phone can actually open these applications and these games faster and which phone can actually store them in the background RAM management. So as I said, only few UIs and few optimized UIs only will be able to store this many applications and this many games in the background. It's not possible for all the UIs. So let's see friends which phone can actually open this faster. And first thing is that we need to clear everything from the process manager in the Realme phone, because in the Realme phones we do the deep cleaning, so where you need to deep clean as well. And I need to show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi connection both phones are connected at this moment. Let me show you the Wi-Fi connection as well, because that's also very important thing when I'm trying to demonstrate this kind of speed test and the RAM management test. So both phones are connected to the same kind of 2.4 GHz network speed only, and these are the 5 applications and 5 games which I'll try to use in this process for the demonstration. And these 5 games, I did not add them into the Game Turbo or Game Space. I did not add them because you know what, if I try to add them into the Game Turbo and Game Space, they'll try to clear the background applications and this won't stay in the background RAM management. So it's impossible to find out the RAM management. That's the reason I did not add them. So again, I'll be getting a lot of comments why you did not add them. So this is the reason I did not add. If you want, I can definitely do the another video by adding. But let's start this kind of test, friends, with the first application and clearing all the applications from the background. All the apps are completely cleared, and you can see the RAM availability between both phones how it is in the beginning of doing the test. Even after doing everything deep clean and everything, these are the RAM availability between these both phones. Now let's start with the first application, Google Chrome. Snapdragon 870 and Snapdragon 870, UFS storage 3.1, UFS storage 3.1, both phones. So 1, 2 and 3. So 1 second, let me try to start again because Google Chrome is open with another website. Yes, right now it should be kind of good. And Amazon shopping application. Let's open the mobiles somewhere around here. Yes. And I'm trying to select one of the phone as well. You can observe the loading speed, how the apps are loading. And this is the touch sampling rate application which I was just showing you. I'll try to keep these lines in the background as a RAM management. And next is a Flipkart. Not bad. So both phones did open at same time. And next is a speed test. So I did click at same time connecting to the same Wi-Fi network at this moment, 2.4 GHz. And so this is not any kind of real scenario of testing, because in the real scenario I need to test individually. So not at both same time, but just I want to keep this in the background score as a RAM management. That's the reason I did keep this thing. So don't judge this kind of speeds and don't judge the phones depending on the speeds. Don't do like that. So just for the demonstration purpose only, I'm trying to keep these scores in the background. I'm trying to mention again and again. So right now both phones did finish the test, but first finished in the Realme GT Neo 2, then in the Mi11X device. These are the results I'll try to keep in the background as well. And now let's start with the first game, which is a Battlegrounds mobile game. So this is going to be very, very interesting to see which one can actually open the Battlegrounds mobile game. Let me just slightly zoom in so you'll be able to focus exactly. Sorry for that. Let's start 1, 2 and 3. So both phones did open. No, not bad. Let's see the opening speeds, what is happening. So first in the Mi11X device. So Mi11X device which has got the enhanced version. So MIUI 12.5 enhanced version. That enhanced version makes lot of different. Yes, I did feel a lot of different in the Mi11X device. When I compared with the before and later of the update, it's a huge improvement in terms of the RAM management and the speeds as well in the Mi11X device. So hopefully with the Realme UI 3.0 also we may see this kind of results, but let's see. So in the Battlegrounds mobile game, the Mi11X device was able to open slightly faster and speed than the Realme GT Neo 2. And Subway Surf also little bit faster in the Mi11X device. Candy Crush, both phones same, nothing much major difference. And there is another small game, so it should not take much time. These are Angry Birds, and let's see these Angry Birds. So finally, a final test is to check the RAM management. So RAM management is another most important factor. So speed test, there will be only little bit different, not a huge difference, little bit, just only 1 second or 2 seconds difference is there. But RAM management is the one which decides the fate of these two phones. So that's some very, very important thing, friends. So let me just show that all the apps and all the games are completely open in both phones, and RAM available 2.3 503 GB and 2.7 GB is available out of 8 GB. And all the 5 games on the 5 applications are completely open in both phones. As you can see clearly, everything is completely open in both devices. And now it's time to start from the last. Let's start from the last. So let's visit from one by one from the last. So let's see which phone has got what type of RAM management. In the speed test, both phones are very close to each other, nothing much huge difference. But still the MI Linux has got slight advantage, little bit opening speed, little bit. But that's not a huge win, I would say. But still, in case if you want to decide which phone has got what type of speeds, this is the answer. And it's a Subway Surf game. And next is a Battlegrounds mobile game, also should open, nothing much major difference. So all the 5 games are completely there in the background RAM management. Next is to check the speed test application. You can see the speed test application. So you can clearly see I'm trying to open in front of the camera only, friends. So I'm not trying to pause the video or nothing at all. So you can clearly see here. So you can see the speeds. Let me know to click on same time in both phones, 1, 2 and 3. Boom. The Realme GT Neo 2 completely got refreshed. It's not there in the background RAM management. But Mi11X device did store exactly as it is same page. You can clearly see in the Mi11X device. So in terms of the RAM optimization, it's far better, I would say, when compared with the Realme phones. Maybe with the hopefully with the Realme UI 3.0, this might get better, but I'm not sure. So let's see the flip card. iPhone 12, 1, 2 and 3. Boom. Instant reaction is there, but still it did load the iPhone 12, but it took little bit time. Not a huge time, but just a little bit. Next is the touch sampling rate. So this is another final test, friends. This will give a clear idea what is going on. So you can see the lines in the multitasking. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tap 1, 2 and 3. Yes, as you can see, the Mi-Linux has got slightly better RAM management, friends. So this has happened only after MIUI enhanced update. If you watch my previous speed test videos, you will definitely see the Mi-Linux device doesn't have this kind of RAM management optimized before. But later with the MIUI optimization 12.5, then the RAM management got betterly optimized in this device. So there is a chances that RAM management can be improved with the software updates is the live proof, which I started to believe after using this device. But hopefully I'm not sure with the Realme UI 3.0 it will happen or not. But as you can see, exactly same. So 10 out of I think all the applications and all the games are completely stored in the background RAM management. If you don't believe me, I'll try to do one more test, which is going back to the previous games. So we did know these 5 games are completely open before, right? Now I'm trying to test again 1, 2 and 3. It's there in the background, but it closed in the Realme GT Neo 2. You can see the RAM management, how it is happening. I did not use any game space, nothing. There is no GT mode, nothing at all. But still. So I hope you understand what's my point of concluding this video. You can see clearly. So still the RAM management need to be lot improved in the Realme phones. I have seen this kind of experience with other Realme phones as well. Not the problem with this phone basically. Same thing with the Realme X1 Max, Realme GT, Realme GT Master Edition, the Realme X2 Pro, Realme X1 Pro. I did use so many Realme phones, and same kind of experience I can actually find in those phones. So it's not the problem with the hardware, or it's not the problem with this model. It's the problem with the Realme UI. So they need to figure out to make the optimization really better for the multitasking. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And this is a quick review comparing these both phones, and finally results are the Mi-Linux has got really good in terms of the RAM management and storage in the background. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.